Did you know that the top 1% of investors hold around 45% of all investable assets globally? But it gets more shocking. A study found that only 1 in 20 people really understand investing. I was shocked by this number because it is so low. So the question is, what are the things that rich people do that we don't? What is the secret to building wealth? And can I figure out what makes them successful before the end of this video? Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be looking at the habits that rich people have when it comes to investing. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first thing I notice is they diversify. Have you ever heard the phrase, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket"? This is an investment strategy called diversification. It simply means not putting all your money into one investment. Instead, you want to spread it across different investments so that if one does poorly, it doesn't affect the others as much. Imagine you have $1,000 and you want to invest it. Instead of buying 100 shares of company XYZ, you can buy 10 shares of company A, 10 shares of company B, 10 shares of company C, and so on. That way, if company A's stock goes down, you still have the gains from companies B and C to rely on. This is exactly what the rich do. They have investments in stocks, bonds, real estate, and sometimes even alternative investments like gold or artwork. This helps them to reduce risk and maximize their returns. Next, they think long-term. The rich don't make investment decisions based on what they think will happen next week or next month. No, they focus on what they think will happen over the next 5 years, 10 years, or even longer. Why? Because they know that short-term market fluctuations are normal, but over the long term, the market tends to go up. By thinking long-term, they're able to ride out any short-term market downturns and potentially make bigger profits. They also leverage assets. One of the most common ways that rich people build wealth is by using their assets to generate more money. For example, let's say someone has a house. Rather than just letting it sit there, they might rent it out to someone who is willing to pay for it. This generates extra income that can then be reinvested or used to buy more assets. So if you have an asset that's sitting idle, think about how you can use it to generate more money. All right, now that we've covered some of the basics, it's time to reveal the most powerful secret of all, the secret that most people don't know about. Ready for it? The rich invest in themselves. They understand the importance of financial education and continuous learning. They read books, attend seminars, and always keep learning new things about investing. You see, investing isn't just about buying stocks and hoping for the best. It's about understanding the markets, reading financial statements, and making smart decisions. The rich know this, and they invest in themselves to become better investors. They understand that the more they learn, the more they earn. So, there you have it, the secrets of the rich when it comes to investing. If you want to build wealth, then start by educating yourself and focusing on the long term. Use diversification and leverage to your advantage, and always remember that short-term market fluctuations are normal. Don't panic and sell when the market takes a downturn. Instead, stay focused on your long-term goals and keep investing. So did I manage to figure out what makes them successful before the end of this video? Well, I would say that my answer is yes and no. Yes, because I managed to find 4 things that the rich do when it comes to investing, which are diversification, long-term, thinking leverage, and investing in yourself. But no, because there is one thing that is missing, and that is discipline. Discipline is what ties everything together. Without discipline, you won't be able to stick to your investment plan, no matter how smart it is. So what do you think of these tips? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're looking for some more personal finance tips, then check out this video here. Thank you for watching, and until next time.